Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Abid Hussain. Today we are diving into the one of the most important topic in CSS, units of measurement, from pixels to VW, viewport weights. These are little values control how your website looks on every screen. By end of this video you will know exactly when to use pixels, EMs, REMs, percentage, viewport height and viewport weights, and how to make your layout clean, scalable and responsive. Let's get started. First thing is first, let's start with px. Px stands for pixels. It is the most straightforward unit. It is an absolute unit, means it does not change based on another settings. Like if I have 100 pixels of font size of a tag, then I can see it does not what sort of device we are using. It will be 100% for all the 100 pixels for the all devices. Let's see an example. I have already a CSS folder, a folder with the name of CSS, and in it I have units folder. I will open this folder in my code editor. I have Visual Studio Code. Let's create a file with the name of index.html. Sure. Let's start with basic HTML code. Here is title, units. Suppose I have h1, so I will use a paragraph. Here I will use loading some domain text or some word wrap instead for better visibility. So let's run this in our code editor. Let's see, this is the text. Simple. Now let's style it and give pixels unit font size. Let's see, paragraph font size. Suppose 50 pixels. See, it is 50 pixels. Let's see what will be the on the device. Suppose I have this device, font size is same, no matters what device is. I can change device, no matter the device, font size is still same. So it does not matters. It will exact 50 pixels, abstract 50 pixels. This is, we can say pixels. Where we use it, it is, we can say, when we have, we can say when we have to make design preserve, like we can have make design fixed, like you do not want to change font size, but not vary font size, then we can use this type of font, we can say unit. It is, we can say, when we it is, we can say, less flexible and not easy for responsiveness. When we make a responsiveness, it is less flexible for responsiveness. It will use only for when, we can say, our design will be static. At the time we can use it. So and another one, now we have another one, or another unit here, that is M E M. This I can say this I can say unit is related to its parent tag. Suppose we can say, what does it mean? Just like I will show you an example. This is M. Suppose I have a division here. Sure, and I will give a class of it. M unit. Sure, this is a class of it. Suppose let's style it. Suppose font size is 20 pixels. Is it? Let's write something in it. Suppose para long. Sure, and so that I'm supposed to format this one. Now let's see this is our this font. Now it has 20 pixels of font size. Now I paragraph in this. I'm using a paragraph. So I will give font size to REM to AM. See, it is 40 pixels. That means suppose it is 20 pixel, it will be the 42 RM. Suppose if you will use 3 RM, it will 60 pixels. Now it is 60 pixels. If you 10 pixel, it will be 30 pixels. Accordingly, we'll suppose it means that it is varying according to its parent element. Whatever parent element size, font size is, it can change according to its according to it. So now you can see if I will say 5 pixel here, this will be the 15 pixels. If I will say 5 pixels, then it will be 25 area, 25 pixels. So 7 pixels. Accordingly, it will increase 5 times bigger than this. This is how M works. Where we use it, it is we can say, so it is useful for components that scale with parent size. But it can get stick if you nest too much. Stick if you nested too much. You can use mostly, you can stick also. So let's we have third unit, that is REM. Here is audio, here is class for it. Now we'll see what is RAM. RAM stands for root M. Suppose if I can say root, if I have root 20 pixel of size in root means HTML tag, main base tag of HTML. If that have 20 pixels or 16 pixels or 10 pixels, our RAM will be work according to that. Means root, it we can say follows root tag. Suppose if I root tag have 10 pixel, if I will use 2 rem, then it will be 20 pixels. If I have 20 pixels, it can be 40 pixels accordingly, but it works based on root. So let's see example here. Suppose I have this. I give font size 16 pixels in root. Now I'll give you 2rem, sorry, font size 2rem. It is now 16 pixels. If I will increase size here 20 pixels, this is 40 pixel now. I will give here 25 pixel. It is 50 pixel now. These two are same because it has also 50 pixel. It has also 50 pixel now because its root is 20 pixel, 25 pixel. So this is how it works. Now we'll see when to use it. Say this gives us, we can say, consistent scalable sizing across your whole site. When we have make consistent design, scalable design, then we can use this thing. And it is ideal for also typography. When we use any type of typography, like suppose any font family and font size fixed for our site. Suppose we can create, or we can say our heading will be 25 suppose 50 pixels, our paragraphs will be 20 pixels. Like that we can set typography for our that at the time it is also good for that. And also it is good for layout spacing also. Layout spacing, then we can use this thing also when we manage same spacing for everywhere. Then this is also good for that. Now we have another one where we have percentage, which is which is also depend on its parent. Whenever we increase the parent size, its inner child will accordingly increase its weight, height, all that things. Let's see some example in, we can say, for that. Suppose I will create a tu here, class, parent, percentage parent. Let's see, let's style somehow, right? Background red, width 600 pixels, height 100 pixels. You can see this is that div. Now if I have another child div in it, sure, percentage child. Now start it. Width suppose 50%, height also 70%, and background blue. Let's see, you can see 70% of height of its parent parent's height and 50% of it is parent's width. If I will increase here, suppose 1000 pixel, sorry, it increases accordingly. It keeps always its 50% of weight. If this increase more, then it also increases 50%. So let's I will show you. Suppose I will give you 70%. It will be always at 70%. Whatever this width will be, this thing will be, but it will be take always it is 70%. So I will give here 2000. See, this is 2000 and it's 70%, takes its 70%. Suppose 50%, it will take its 50% always. And also accordingly height. Suppose I will give 100% of it will take 100% of it. Suppose I will give 10%, it will always take its 10%. If I will give here 100% and give its 1000 pixel, let's say this will work like this. Accordingly, this is very good for when we have to make scalable childs accordingly according to parent. Then every time we use that thing. It is great for fluid design also and making elements fit dynamically for its within container. We can say it is good for dynamically fit within container. When we want to, we can say when I have a body, suppose 100%, I want always my sidebar, navbar, sidebar take 30% of my weight. It will always whatever will within we can say my device, it will always take 30% of that very weight. That is, we can say, good thing for, we can see when we have make our, we can say, containers, child make containers, child space, child is it's dynamic. Then we use these things. And we have now our last one, which is VH and VW, which means viewport height and viewport width. Viewport, suppose I have a 1 VH means 1% of height of browser's height, and if I have a 1 VW means 1% width of browser's width, means devices width. Suppose I have a 100 VH means it takes full screen, means 100% width of display, 100% width of. Let's see both. You can see the example here. VH, suppose I will like keep everything in container. Container, and let's cut this here and so let's give VHVW through this one. Width and then VW and height and then VH. Background color gray. Let's see. Now there is one problem. I will see what there is. We can see this, and this is going to down. It is not taking 100% accordingly. Let's see what is it happening. Let's see. I have a selector with, you can see, universal selector. Browser has, you can see, default margin and padding. So I will give padding 0, also margin 0. Let's see, everything is in 100% now. because every padding and every margin removes. Your browser has default padding and margin. We remove that. Now we can give width, give view margin and padding according to us. Now we can give anything. It is enough for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please, if you found this video helpful for you, please give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also let me know in comment section which unit you use most in your web design.